This is to show you the car ID lights don't work, and then I'm getting hyper flash, and the lights aren't blinking on the front end. Left signal light. Hyper flash from the mirror. Hyper flash from the back tail light. Nothing. Everything else works fine. High beams, low beams. They both work fine. I'm going to show you that the high beams even work. No signal light. I'll show you the other side. Hyper flash on the mirror. Hyper flash on the dash. Hyper flash on the rear tail light. Nothing. Nothing on the signal light again. Plugged in exactly how they should be. Just as it calls for. Or plug and play. An idiot can do it. Plugged in, good and tight. Plugged in, good and tight. Still can't get nothing. Everything over here, plugged in, good and tight. So, I don't know what's going on, but it ain't working.